अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आप देख रहे हैं के न्यूज़ एचडी। मैं हूं हारिस अली शाह गिलानी। खबर शामिल करते हैं कनाडा से। न्यू वेस्टमिनिस्टर पीसीसीए करारदाद की हिमायत। हिंदुस्तान में अकलीतियों की हकूक की पामाली की मुजामत करते हैं। मजीद इस हवाले से रिपोर्ट कर रहे हैं कनाडा से सैयद वजाहत अली।
जी बिल्कुल। पाकिस्तानी कैनेडियन कम्युनिटी एसोसिएशन ने हिंदुस्तानी मुसलमानों के हक में मिस्टर चक पुशमायर की करारदाद की भरपूर हिमायत की। सीएए और एनआरसी के हामी के जवाब में पीसीसीए ने भारतीय दलाइल के सख्ती से मुखालफत की और कौंसल को चक पुशमायर के पास कायल कर लिया और करारदाद को दस्तखत किया। इस इजलास में पाकिस्तानी कैनेडियन कम्युनिटी एसोसिएशन के सदर खालिद चौहान ने पीसीसीए की जानिब से नुमाइंदगी की और अपने ख्याल का इजहार किया। आइए चलिए देखते हैं कि उन्होंने क्या कहा।
Like you see, one of my friends, Canadian Hindu Canadians, they all like just have no difference of opinion, just one opinion, everybody. So same thing in India, everybody is polarized, and the bureaucrats, the army, the courts, police, and everybody is just one side, and minorities are on the other side. If these CAA and NFC come into existence, if they implement. So how they can prove themselves to be like Indian citizens? They've been living there for centuries over there, and they have to prove now their father, grandfather, and grandfather they're born there, and they're born there. Some of them are so poor, and if they don't like anybody, they can delete their documents, proof of the citizen from this system, because they are on one side. So the Indian society has been greatly polarized, and one big community is on the side and small communities on the other side, and no one there to protect their rights. So this is very important for the international community to intervene and protect their rights, and everybody can see, there's videos available, there's pictures available, facts and figures available, people are burned alive, and police is watching, forces they are not protecting them, courts are not protecting them. One person, he was defending his house, and his house was burned, his business was burned, and the police and registered a case against him of the terrorism, and his factory and houses, everything is burned. His family has died, and he's going to be arrested. So this kind of like the bureaucracy and police and the state is one side, and minorities and people are on the other side. So I don't think anybody can protect. So this is why I strongly urge you people and the world. I'm very open-minded person. Hindu, Sikh, Muslim, Christian, everybody same for me, right? I'm just here to protect the humanity, because this phenomenon is very dangerous for the world, and this need to be stopped here. As like we are saying, like in Nazi Germany, they did so many, and they killed so many millions of Jews, right? So this same philosophy, if somebody go into detail of what is happening in India, they will find out. This same phenomenon is developing with it. We have to stop, and we have to raise voice, and we have to be aligned with everybody. And thank you very much.